Install PickU on iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Yup, the blue icon with white A. Tap on the search bar at bottom right and type PickU Photo Editor. It should pop up with colorful icon and say something like PickU Cutout and Photo Editor or PickU Photo Editor Photo Lab. Hit the Get button. You might need to double check your side button or Face ID to confirm. Don't worry, it's free. Wait a moment while it installs. Maybe stretch your finger or scroll through your memes. When it's done, just tap open. Grant a permission. PickU might ask to access your photos and cameras. Tap allow so you can start editing right away. Also, you can explore templates, AI cutout, stickers and more. No editing skill needed. Just drag and drop and wow. And you are all set. If this helped, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick phone tips. See you in the next one.